If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy A37 has heating issues, then the answer seems to be no. I've been using this phone for a couple of days. I've tried to use it for various different things, like for example, I used it to record some videos, I used it to play a little bit of games, and so on and so forth. And of course, you can definitely feel a little bit when the phone gets warmer. But it is not really overheating. It's not like it's really hot. Of course, device getting hotter is a really natural thing if you do tasks that are demanding for the phone. But this phone seems to be handling it very well. I don't think it has heating issues. I didn't experience any overheating or anything like that. I even performed a benchmark and the phone did really great in the case of heating. Meaning that the temperature wasn't really high, and yeah, so I would say it doesn't have any heating issues. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.